Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the function of junction diode as a rectifier. So what are rectifiers? Rectifiers are the devices which convert alternating current into direct current, right? So rectifier is a device which converts alternating current into direct current. And what is rectification? It is the process of converting alternating current into direct current. So the process of alternating current into direct current, that is DC, right? What is the principle? We have studied about PN junction diode in the previous video. We know that a PN junction diode conducts during forward bias, and in the reverse bias the current is negligible. So we can consider that a PN junction diode conducts only in forward bias and it does not conduct during reverse bias. So this fact is the principle for a rectifier. So what is the principle? The fact that a PN junction diode conducts only when it is forward biased and not in reverse bias condition. Therefore, this PN junction diode is also called as a valve. Right? So how many types are there? There are two types of rectifiers. One is your half wave rectifier, and the other is the full wave rectifier. So in half wave rectifier, what happens is the rectifier converts only half wave of the AC to DC, right? So only half cycle, or you can say half wave to understand, only half cycle of AC is converted to DC. In this case, full wave rectifier, both the half cycles of AC are converted to DC. Now we have to discuss this half wave rectifier in this current video. So this is the rectifier which converts only the half cycle of alternating current into direct current. So for this purpose, what is the setup? This setup is made using a transformer. So this is the AC input. and this is the primary coil, and here this is the secondary coil. And a PN junction is connected here, and the load resistance is connected here, across which the output is taken. So the output is taken across this. So this is the circuit diagram, and this is the transformer. This is PN junction. So what is its working? We know what happens in AC. In an AC, the half cycle is having positive polarity and next half cycle is having opposite polarity. So what happens is, when the first half cycle is positive polarity, then this side will be positive, and since this coil is inductively coupled to this, so this will be positive, and that's why this P side is connected to this positive. We can say that PN junction is forward bias. So you can say, I can mark this as A, B, C, D. When and A of the primary coil is at positive polarity due to positive half cycle of AC. Input. Then and C is also positive as it is mutually inductively coupled. As it is inductively coupled to primary coils and A, right? So we can say that P and of diode is connected to positive polarity. Is connected to positive side. So it is the diode is forward biased. At this instant, the AND B is having negative polarity. right? So the diode is forward biased, therefore it conducts. So this is the working. So if we want to look at the graphical representation, we can draw the diagram like this. So first graph I'll draw for the input and then the output. This is input AC. This is input AC voltage, and this is output across, output voltage across the load resistance, right? So what is happening? Input AC voltage is like this. Suppose so this input voltage is like this. Now what will happen? The diode will conduct. This is in positive half cycle, so you can say this is negative, this is positive. So diode will conduct when it is forward bias. So this is in case of positive half cycle only. So diode sinusoidal, right? So you can see easily from here that this part of the cycle is conducted by the diode because it is forward biased during this half cycle. Now what is the drawback? The major drawback which half wave rectifiers have is, what is this? That it conducts only during the positive half cycle when the diode is forward biased. It rectifies only that half part of the cycle when the diode is forward biased, right? So that's why this is the need. Therefore full wave rectifiers were designed. Now what is the frequency of the half wave rectifier? Look at this. In one cycle it conducts only once. So the frequency of half wave rectifier is same as frequency of the input cycle. Half wave rectifier is same as frequency of input AC, that is equal frequency. So this was all about the half wave rectifier and the principle of rectifiers. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.